we will. 'Cause he's
Watching you stand
You may be seated. Justin, if you'll take Brittany's hands at this time, and as you do so, I ask you to think back on how your love has grown since your relationship first began. The time you first met, the first date that you went on, the moment you knew that she was the one for you. I ask that you both think of all the times that have come in between that, the joy that those moments have brought you. Today is a culmination of those many simple yet perfect moments. And now the day has come for the two of you to join hands in front of all your friends and family in a moment that will surpass all others. Relationships such as yours are blessings for all of us to witness, to be encouraged by. And we are thankful that you have allowed us to be a part of this special day in your lives. Justin, I ask you this question: will you have this woman be your wife, live together in the holy covenant of marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, and keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Hallelujah. That's pretty confident. Brittany, will you have this man to be your husband? Live together in the holy covenant of marriage. Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?